Hello, everyone. Are you doing infographic for your assignments? Are you looking for the way you can do it really fast and learn fast how you can use the infographic? I'm Zara. I'm here to give you tips and give you an overview of the infographic. There are so many software to use for infographic. I use Canva as, I love Canva actually. It's free. They have so many elements and free templates, and it's really easy to use. And their templates, it's nice. The elements is nice, which make your infographic really exciting. Okay, I want to go show you my my Canva, and through that we are going to see how I use the Canva for the designing infographic. This is the Canva you can see. Okay, what I've done, the only things I've done, I sign up with my emails. It gave me a code, I enter, and then I use students to use because it gave me more free elements to use. From here, I'm using infographic. When I'm coming here it's the place you can see lots of elements and you can design your infographic. The first thing is you need to select your templates. Can you see in the left side, you can see the template. From here, you can select the templates. Don't start your infographic from the scratch. It's so difficult. There are so many nice templates. The only thing is for choosing the template, the only things you need to know is what is your topic about? What is the story of your infographic? If you do the comparison, if you compare two things, you need to select the comparison. If the educational, I know you explaining, choose educational. Can you see? It's an educational, for example, infographic. If you do compare two things, comparison. Data infographic, it's explaining, it's good when you explains everything. And informational infographic, process infographic, it's good when you talk about the process of some things or recipe, for example, and then timeline, talking about the histories or what happens during the time, business infographic. But the first thing is, what is the story? But doesn't matter if you choose from for example, data information and you want to talk about the process, you can change the elements and you can change the structure based on what you want. Okay, I start. Which one should I choose? Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm gonna tell you what I want to do. Okay, this one is about 4 strategies for marketing analysis. If you can see, there are so many elements. Elements here. I can change the element. I can upload from left side, upload the image, videos, audio. If I want to put my image, if I wanted to add a text, I can add a text as well. The things I want to say from the template, you can change everything. For example, you can change the background from clicking on the background, and the top up you can see the colors. It gives you a color, and it gives you a color palette as well, which is really interesting. Let's see. Can you see? I changed the color and I'm happy with this one. So that is easy. If you want to change the color of the font or the font, you click on that, and on top of that you can see how you can change the font size, colors, and everything. The elements you can change by changing. If you can by changing the color, you can the crop as well. And if you are not happy, there is so many elements here. So if you want elements and you don't know what type of elements you want, for example, you want elements show the, for example, population. You are not sure which element is good to use, or you don't have a time to go through. You can just search, for example, population, and it gives you a lot of item to choose. For example, people, for example, group of people, or support people. It's so many, it gives you so many, and it's easy to use. You can use. And if you want to use the text, this is a text. You can add a heading, subheading, and you can change the color and font. For duplication, if you decided to duplicate this page, this is the icon on top. Can you see this one? If you press this one, it's going to duplicate your page. If you want to add a page, you can easily press add a page on the top of your last infographic page, or you can add a page from here. So there is a changes. Let's just add a subheading here, for example. Can you see? I just press a heading and I bring heading, and I can change everything about the headings as well. When you finish and you want to see what's happened, you can put it in the grid mode on the bottom of your infographic. You can see that. And can you see? You can see. You cannot do any editing here, but you can see what's happening. And if your infographic is consistent, and you can do from grid mode. That is a real tips I wanted to tell you. And if you wanna share it, download it, I have a share button here. You might have a download button or 3 dots. It doesn't matter what you have, but it depends on when you download it. I just put it on the share button. I don't want to share it. I want to download it. I'm going to download it, and I'm gonna put it in the PNG. I choose PNG. You can choose the pages you want. I'm gonna choose all the pages, and then the size is 800 to 2000 pixel standard. Another things I want to tell you, it's really important. It's some of the elements is for buy. You can buy some of the elements which they have a crown. Crown. Can you see this crown? On the left side on the template, this means you need to buy that. And when you want to download it, it happens as well. When you select the PNG, you can see if you want to change the size, you need to buy that. You need to pay for that. But we don't want to change it. This size is a standard. And honestly, I wouldn't pay for any elements or templates, because the existings are really, really good. And this is download, and we finish with this one. Okay, if you want more tips and more information about how you can design infographic, I have another video that you can use that for your infographic with the details. If you have any question or concern, please leave a comment, and I'm gonna back and answer your question. Enjoy it. Bye.